Download the SIPFund.com app from Google Play Store. Enter mobile number and do OTP verification. Set credentials, enter email ID and a new password. Receive instant WhatsApp confirmation message. Complete account setup. Enter PAN details. Enter name as per PAN card. Add father's and mother's name. Select occupation, enter annual income details and PEP status. Provide birth details, confirm account ownership. Add nominee details. Enter your banking details and verify the same. Your investor account is now successfully created. Choose an AMC. Complete KYC verification via offline or online verification method. For online verification, receive email confirmation. Select I agree to terms and conditions. Your investor account is successfully created on SIPFund.com app. SIPFund.com. Achieve your dreams. Mutual funds are subject to market risk. Please read all investment documents carefully before making a purchase.